Hi guys, so this is literally like not even 2 minutes after I filmed my last video, which would be the watermelon slime review. And so I wanted to do a remake of my setup tour because I do have a new setup. I know the last time I did this, that was with my old setup with like the old table and stuff like that. But I mean, I literally changed everything. And it actually looks really, really good, and I'm super stoked about it. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then if you want to subscribe, because I don't beg. If you want to subscribe, you may. If you don't, it's okay. So, yeah, I'm super stoked. I'm just gonna get into it. Okay, guys, so this is the new setup. I want to start over here. So this is where all of my palettes are. Just my Zulu palette, my James Charles palette. Kind of come around here. Here's all my other palettes. Then I have this little basket that I got from Five Below. And I have this little elf thing from Ulta that I got for free. So here's this cart. It's got like 3 wheels. And it rolls out and everything. It's got 4 drawers. It does have a lot of room. I don't have my makeup in here necessarily. Not yet, anyway. I just have a bunch of stuff in there. And then I have it here kind of like as an extension of the table. And underneath here's my chair. It's my chair I usually sit in. And this is where my travel makeup box is, which is like a case. So it's like this hard-on case, and I have my 2 ottomans and tissues under the table because it's allergy season and we need those. And then this is the actual table with the shelves and everything. Doop, 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 doop. And that's something from Five Below. It has drawers and stuff to put my stuff in. And another drawer. And then down here are my cabinets. So you can see my slime, a candle, a lot of my makeup, my foundations and everything. All extra stuff. And then I have my big executive clear box, which is so pretty. I can actually see the top of it. And then I have the top shelf with my lamp at the top, which is why it's kind of dark. I think the lighting's a lot better with my videos. Obviously, I still have my mirror. See my ring? I still have my mirror, my Danielle mirror. And this is the one you see me in videos when I have to keep looking into videos. This is where y'all are, and then I literally just... That's where I am, and I'm usually, like, close in. I'm going to try to stop doing that because I do have another mirror. I have this placemat here just in case, like, there's a lot of loose powder and stuff because I do use a lot of loose powder, so I didn't want that to get messed up. Let me sit down for a minute. So this is from where I'm sitting. So y'all be, like, up here. Ta-da! But y'all will be sideways, so. But yeah, this is what's on in front of me. I have my 2 drawers, kid drawer things. They used to be sitting on top of this. Yeah. And so all of this, I have my stuff up here. I have, like, some more brushes, my highlighter brush, 2 of my liquid lipsticks, which I'm probably going to move right now, and move them probably up top here for right now. And I have all of my stuff in here. So if you're interested in what this table is, I did build this myself. This was from IKEA. So it is all one set. So the cart, the table are MICKE or MICKE. Hold on. I don't know quite how they pronounce it. It's this. MICKE. And so I built the cart first. I didn't have any help. I did everything on my own. Built everything on my own. Every little piece from the cart to the actual drawers to everything to the wheel. Everything was already in the box. I just built it all by hand. Put it all together. So the cart was $59.99, which isn't bad because it fits within my price range. Just the table part was $89, which is pretty reasonable, especially with the size that it is. Like, it's huge. And then the add-on in the back was $50, and this part here is actually a whiteboard, and it's magnetic. So I will probably be having stuff up here eventually, especially ideas. Yeah, so altogether, see, I have to do math now. So it's probably like $200 for all of it, which isn't bad. And they had this in white, but I chose not to get white because obviously I'm doing a lot of makeup and it would just stain and ruin it. So I just decided not to do that. But yeah, this is the new setup. This is the new cash makeup setup. And yeah. This is it. This is so much more organized. So much more organized. So that's it for the setup tour. Yeah, I'm hoping that eventually, whenever I get the chance, I am going to be having more makeup. There's definitely going to be more fun, more reviews. Obviously with the slime, that's not really makeup, but like, I'm trying to do more than just makeup. Yeah, and even so, it's just so professional looking. And it's so me, like it's super organized. I built the shelves properly. I put the shelves where I would need them because you can customize where the shelves go. And yeah, I love it. Love, love, love. And so, and it's right by my bed, so I could just fall asleep. And so that is it for the video. I'm hoping to have more stuff up soon. Hopefully get back on track with my schedule because obviously I've been on like Tuesday, Thursday schedule. So I'm hoping everything will be up and running soon. So yeah. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And then if you want to subscribe, you may. If you don't, it's okay. And I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you next time.